You may recall a time when you asked the top manager in your firm, let's call her Ms. Jones, if she agreed with something you wanted to do. She may have said, uh-huh, or I trust you to do the right thing. These types of comments are not what I call strong examples of commitment. The type of commitment that's needed for a quality culture is one of visible and active involvement. This means that your manager is willing to commit company resources, including her own time and interests, to a company-wide quality effort. Committing a subordinate's time and money is not enough. Your top manager must be visibly involved. How can your top manager show visible and active involvement? Here's some good ways. First, set clear expectations. Everyone at every level must know what to do to advance quality. All managers and employees must clearly understand why it's important to implement a quality culture and why it will be beneficial. A stumbling block occurs when expectations aren't clear or senior management does not buy in. Your top manager and all employees must agree. Next is empower others. This allows for decision making at the right level. Those closest to the action make the best decisions. When this happens, you free up valuable time for management. And then attending meetings and participation is a great thing to do. Making an occasional formal speech doesn't go very far. Top management must get out of their offices and attend meetings with employees from all levels. Also, visiting the work area to talk with individual employees is essential. Then we have putting quality first. Committed managers discuss quality as the first agenda item at staff meetings. Also, their actions reveal that quality is a top priority. Next is understand and use quality terminology. An inability to do this will indicate that managers haven't read nor are they practicing the writings of the quality experts. Sharing information is important. The old adage that information is power is still valid. When managers share information, it multiplies the power of the organization. Having patience is important. Taking baby steps is the best policy. Scoring a touchdown or hitting a home run is unlikely during the early stages of the quality effort. Creating a quality culture is a process that must have a long-term focus. And then we have to provide sufficient training. Managers must train employees at all levels to create a quality culture. Initial training on quality concepts and future training that leads to continual improvement should give you what you need. So what should you do if you can't secure management's commitment? Fortunately, a quality effort is not an all or nothing proposition. Unless the top organizational manager comes right out and states, quality is nothing but a bunch of hogwash, and anybody who spends time on it will be fired, it's still possible to realize some benefits. Granted, without top management's commitment, a full-blown quality effort won't occur, but a grassroots movement can still create momentum and possibly catch on with the rest of your company. If you obtain support from management, you can move right into the next section, which is preparation. Once all company managers agree they want a quality culture, they need training. I suggest an off-site location to minimize disruption. Use a quality facilitator, one who knows how to work well with senior staff members and who has a good grasp of total quality principles. The value in this training is that everyone will hear the same thing at the same time, and managers will begin to align their points of view with the quality philosophy. After this training, management must begin to plan how they will roll out the quality effort to the rest of the company. It's possible that the trainer can help with this. Before the rollout occurs, management needs to develop a quality vision. A vision is a powerful thing. Without one, a company lacks direction and drive. A vision conjures up a desired future state. For example, my friend Marty's vision for his company could be one of 100% conforming product. In this vision, He needs no inspectors because his employees make his products correctly the first time and every time. In reality, Marty's company may be far from his desired future state, quality may be marginal, and customer complaints may be high. But that doesn't matter. The thing to remember about vision is to think about where you want to be, not how you are going to get there. The top manager of an organization usually develops a vision. Once the top manager creates the vision, it needs to be shared with all employees. It helps everyone know where the company is headed. The top manager won't reach a vision, though, through just wishful thinking. Other plans, such as a mission statement, quality policy, and an implementation plan are needed. It seems as if every company has a mission statement. I've seen one at a fast food restaurant, a bank, and even at a jail. When you create a mission statement, you need to ask two questions. Who are our customers, and what value do we provide? When you begin to think about the answers to these questions, it will help you determine how you will achieve your vision. My friend Marty wants all conforming products and no inspection. For him to have products that conform, he needs to know who his customers are and what they value. Marty's mission statement could be this: we will strive to continually know our customers, understand their needs, and meet or exceed their expectations. We will do this by designing products that are easy to make and use. Each employee will be responsible for the quality of his or her processes. After the vision and mission statement are developed, it's time to put together a quality policy. Contained in a quality policy are such statements where quality fits into the organization, who is responsible for quality, and what quality means. Marty's quality policy could read something like this: maintain and improve continually the quality of service that we provide to all our customers. Provide confidence to management, employees, and stakeholders that we fulfill and maintain quality requirements. Fulfill all quality system requirements stated in our quality manual and constantly improve processes. After the vision, mission statement, and quality policy, it's time to create and implement a plan. People plan all the time. It creates something that doesn't exist and that gives it life. We can think of many examples. Inventing a new game or commercializing a new technology are two examples that come to mind. Recently, I played a game of board football that involved the use of 20 different multi-sided dice and special cards. I didn't win. In fact, I lost to a 10-year-old. Also, I know of a scientist who has developed both a new manufacturing process and new materials. This scientist can produce pipes used to transport the most dangerous chemicals and also create tunnels 40 feet in diameter using plastic, not steel, to transport trains under bodies of water. Both of these achievements didn't materialize overnight. Months, in the case of the football game, or years producing the pipe and tunnels of hard work were spent in making these ventures successful. A common thread for each of these is they both started with planning. Let's take a moment now to define the word planning. There are countless definitions of planning. Here's one I like. Planning is collecting information and making a decision in light of what you want. It has past, collecting information, present, making a decision, and future, what you want, dimensions. Some of the planning that's applied to make a quality culture a reality is to create a steering committee and form teams. This involves appointing managers, professional staff, and hourly employees to the steering committee to give it a balance. This committee will oversee, monitor, encourage, and support the process of establishing a learning environment for continual quality improvement. Teams will next implement plans to meet quality objectives. There are a variety of ways to form teams, ranging from those that focus on a specific project such as reducing the cost of non-quality, to ones that assure the communication flows across and up and down the quality organization. The most important team effort will probably be the one that makes sure the quality effort continues in the right direction. Well, that's it for today's lecture on the two important topics of quality fallacies and our quality culture. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will talk with you soon.